in today's episode, we're going to teach you how to cut an internal mitre and make it look absolutely beautiful, as our mate Squirt has here. You're going to love this video. Hope you enjoy. We bought this coving from plastercoving.co.uk.
So this is how to get an internal cut on plaster coving.
You're cutting on the right hand side, upside down. And that's your internal cut. So when that goes upside down, it goes into the left hand corner.
So you're always cutting that upside down?
Yeah.
Simple, you've made it look very easy. So always be cutting upside down when you're doing your mitres, basically.
You're always cutting upside down. That's where people find it hard, because you're cutting upside down and they get it all back to front. And this is how you bug it up. There's your internal mitre.
Aha.
Lucky that went well.
Yeah, got away with that one.
Yeah, got away with that one.
So the one on the left, is that also an internal mitre? So you're matching two internal mitres?
Yeah.
Right.